Uh, this is a tutorial on how to make your own private server so you can play with friends and just friends, like a 1v1 for example, or something like that. So in this tutorial what you're gonna do is press host game. You're gonna select custom, then press the maps you want to play. Select any game modes you want. You can customize a lot of things here. You can set the maximum number of players over here. So yeah, so only one person is able to join. So yeah, you can also press private. Type the password here. Something can be anything. There you go. That's the password. You're all set for that. Just start the server. There we go. You made a private server where only your friend can join. Now, if you want to join someone else's game, the person has to give you a link to their game. When they give you their link, you can press join over here, and then you can copy and paste the code they gave you here. If you want to invite someone to your server, no, it doesn't have to be a private server, it can be any server. You can press invite, and that will give you the link that you can take. You press join, you can copy here. There we go. It's gonna take you to the server. That's how it works. It's pretty simple. If you're on mobile and they send you the link, don't go to the link because it's gonna open the browser and you're not gonna play as well on the browser. Instead, you should just open the game, the client, and then press join instead of opening the link. You need to copy the link, open the game, and press join. And when you press join, just paste the link there. Anyway, there you go.